back to another video with Jessie. So today I'm gonna be creating another Valentine's look, and this time I'm gonna do the classic Valentine's look that is super easy. It requires minimal makeup, so do all the basic contour, foundation, eyebrows, everything else, and I'm just gonna leave it where I just need to do my eyes, work on my eyes and lips. So stay tuned and see you in a little bit, guys. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm gonna start doing my eyes, and what I'm gonna do is gonna set my eyes, and I'm gonna go in with Ace Beauty, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Patucci right here and set my eyes. So after I'm done setting my eyes, I am gonna go in with the same bronzer from Tarte that I've always used, and it's Hotel Iris, and I'm gonna use it as a transition shade, and I'm gonna pack it on above the crease right here and blend it. Like this. That's all I'm gonna use for eyeshadow, and I'm also gonna add it under my waterline and buff it out. Okay, done. Simple. And then I'm gonna do a wing eye look, and I'm gonna use Pretty Vulgar liquid eyeliner. And I suck at doing eyeliner, but I try my best. So I'm gonna try to wing it the best I can. Fucked up. It's okay. Smudge that little piece out with a regular and try to take it out. I tried. I fucked up there. So one eye down, one more to go. I think I did a good job. Not the best, but okay. And then I'm gonna add some lashes. I'm gonna add mascara, and I'm using the It Cosmetics mascara. I'm gonna add it to my bottom lashes while the top lashes dry. Then I'm gonna add some highlighter. And I'm gonna use the Stila Kitten highlighter. I kind of wanted like a wet look, so I'm gonna spray setting mist. So my dumbass forgot last time to dust off the banana powder, so this time I'm doing it. my inner corner, I'm gonna use that same highlighter from Stila, and I'm gonna apply it in my inner corner. Like so. How about that? And then we're gonna get to do lips now. So you could go in with a nude lip, but the classic of Valentine's vibe, it's red. It's my favorite blue tone red, and it's from Faced Malted Liquid Lipstick, and it's called Lady Balls. And I'm gonna outline my lips first, just to give me like a little guide. I'm gonna use that as a guide, and if I mess up, I'm gonna go over with the concealer. Wow, that is bright red. Whoa. And this is a classic. I love this red. It's so Valentine's. It's easy, super easy to do. And I'm just gonna clean up with the concealer. Okay, classic Valentine's Day. I love it. This is the finished look. I hope you liked it. This super easy classic Valentine's makeup look anybody can achieve. I love it. It's cute, right? Just for a date night out. You're gonna look good in anything. This will go literally with anything and everything. So yeah, this is it. Like and subscribe, and hope you enjoy the video, and see you on the next one. Bye guys.